Welcome to Mechanical Classroom. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് important welding questions. Which of the following joint have high corrosion resistance? Welding joint. Which of the following ray is not produced during welding? Gamma rays. Single V and single U butt welds are used for sheets of thickness 5 to 15 mm. Double V and double U butt welds are used for plates of thickness over 15 mm. Which of the following types is not fillet weld joint? Correct answer, butt joint. The metals having good weldability in descending order are cast steel, iron, carbon steel, cast iron. In fusion welding, penetration is the ratio of width of the weld to its depth. Which of the following is an example for plastic welding? Correct answer, forge welding. Which of the following is an example of fusion welding? Correct answer, arc welding. Which of the following welding process is used for welding of sheet metals in automobile and aircraft industries? Correct answer, option D, resistance welding. In which of the following process heat is created by blacksmith fire? Forge welding. Heat is created by chemical reaction in thermite welding. The voltage used in resistance welding is generally kept between 4 to 12 volts. The heat generated H in resistance welding is expressed by I square RT. The voltage needed in resistance welding does not depend upon length of weld. In resistance welding, two electrodes are made of copper. Which of the following is not a resistance welding? Correct answer, pressure welding. The resistance welding process suitable for welding ferrous and non-ferrous metals up to 8 mm thickness is? Correct answer, spot welding. In spot welding for lap joint, the diameter of welded zone or welded nugget should be, correct answer, 2T plus 2.5 mm, where T is thickness of sheet. In spot welding, the spacing between two spot weld is, correct answer, 12T. In spot welding, the diameter of electrode is, correct answer, root T. In projection welding, the depth of projection is about 60% of sheet thickness. In which of the following resistance welding a large number of weld can be carried out simultaneously? Correct answer, projection welding. Which resistance welding process is used for making continuous welds between two overlapping pieces of sheet metals? Correct answer, projection welding. The current is not passed continuously in, correct answer, seam welding. Thanks for watching. തുടർന്നുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് ലഭിക്കാൻ എൻ്റെ ചാനലായ മെക്കാനിക്കൽ ക്ലാസ് റൂം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ലഭിക്കാൻ ടെലഗ്രാം ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുക. അതിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഞാൻ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ കൊടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും.